My name is Annette Joseph. I am from Trinidad and Tobago. I'm a pastor in a local church. I was at home. I could not have walked. I spent almost $28,000. And my daughter told me to come to the States here to spend some time with her. But when she saw me and how I was, walking, I was limping in pain. She said to me, "Mommy, I have to do something. I cannot have you like this." And I wept because I just did a blood test at home, for all of this, and they told me that everything was good. When I came, Dr. Sai saw me the next day. He prayed, and he said to me, I study you. I study you. And I went back to that, the x-ray. It is not your spine, it is your hip that is out. And I have been suffering with this thing for so long. And the doctors were only treating me for my spine. They did not do an x-ray or nothing. And they were just taking money from me. And he took a silver thing, I don't know what it was, and he passed it by my stomach here and brought it up here and put in my hip back. I walked out of that place. I walked out of that place. Yes, I was still having some pains, but I walked out of that place. I am a walking testimony.